Here we go. This is Dreamcatcher at Bobbejaanland. I've turned off the horizon lock so you can see that the coaster is swinging. Whee! Run! Looks like we're gonna have some rain, so we're trying to do as many coasters as we can before that. And we have one indoor coaster. So I think after this we have one more. No, two more.
Two more. We have the white one, I don't know the name of it. And
No, we have.
the indoor one.
No, we have three more.
Really?
So we're gonna save the indoor one for later. That one, the wild mouse. I think we're gonna do that right after this. The Dreamcatcher. Oh, they're so strange. They have fishes in this pond. Whee! Oh.
Great one.
Ah, that was fun. I like the Dreamcatcher here. That was a lot of fun. I saw some fishes in the pond here. You see them? Yeah.
Oh no, it's just a stick.
That's a fun coaster. I like the Dreamcatcher. That was great. Open the belt. Pretty fast operations on this one.